Hi guys, again it's me, Dimitri, your friend, and today we're going to just talk about how we order stuff when we go to a regular store in Haiti. Okay, I'm saying Haiti because not everywhere people just go, I come to buy. Okay, because they know that you ought to come here to buy stuff, but in Haiti we say it. Okay, we say "vin acheter." Yeah, I'll show you that guys in a second here, so you can see what I'm referring to. But yes, going to a regular store in Haiti is just "vin acheter." Okay, so it's like you can get it's a store, a regular store where you can find anything. It could be like a pack of cigarette or a bag of bread or candies, things of that nature. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started here, guys. Hope you enjoy, and if you do, of course, do not forget to subscribe, comment, and like. And let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so as I was saying, guys, so when you go to a Haitian store, in Haiti specifically, so we just say "vin acheter." "Vin acheter." Okay? It's like we're saying, "I'd like to order, please." Now, the person at the store will go, "Qui sauve-les?" "Qui sauve-les?" Okay? "Qui sauve-les?" Like, what can I get you? Or what would you like to order? What can I get for you? Okay? And so we have an example of ordering something like "Bam sandwich ak yon jus orange." Bam sandwich ak yon jus orange. It's like you were saying, give me a sandwich and an orange juice. So we can use this example with any other stuff, any other items you can get at the store, okay? This is just one example. And then, "Gen cigarette," or you can say, "Ou gen cigarette?" It could be either if you're addressing one person or more than one person. You can say "Gen cigarette," but most likely if you're addressing one person, it's better to say "Ou gen cigarette," with the personal pronoun "ou." Okay, "Ou gen cigarette?" And in general, "Gen cigarette?" to more than one person. "Gen cigarette?" at the store. Okay, do you have cigarettes? And if they do have cigarettes, or if the person has cigarette, they'll say "Oui gen," "Oui gen." Okay, but if one person answering, you can say, they'll say "Oui moi gen," the personal pronoun I. Okay, "Oui moi gen." And we have if the person, and if they don't have cigarette, or if the person does not have cigarette, then they'll go "Non pas gen." Okay, that's in general, like more than one person, "Non pas gen," "Non pas gen." But if it's just one person saying they don't have cigarette, then they'll go like "Non moi pas gen." Okay, the personal pronoun, just that simple. "Non moi pas gen." The person can say "Qui sauve-les encore?" "Qui sauve-les encore?" It's like saying, "Would you like anything else?" Okay? And if you don't want anything else, you can just say "No." No means just no, nothing else. Okay? And then you can say "Thank you." Merci. Merci. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. And like I said earlier, do not forget to subscribe, comment, and like. And of course, I'll see you guys next time in the next video.